we've now seen how cool deep learning can be. We can apply in a wide range of areas and get really high accuracy by learning really detailed features of our data, and how neural networks can support that. We've seen how it can be applied for various tasks in image analysis, in computer vision. Let's now revisit the block diagram that we saw summarizing regression and classification and other machine learning tasks, and how it can be applied here for computer vision, for deep learning. So in particular, let's talk about deep features for classifying images. So deep features for image classification. The input here are pairs of images with their labels. So the labels that we've looked at were things like, whether it's a cat, a dog, a house, or some other object in the image. And now we feed that through the feature extractor. And in this case, we're using a deep learning model as a feature extractor. So the output here are what we call the deep features for this particular image, for every image. And now we feed in this images representative features through a machine learning model, where we use a simple classifier like logistic regression in here. Say logistic regression as an example. And the output is our predicted labels. Predicted labels. And so we're going to feed in our predicted labels y hat and the true labels y into our measure of quality. So y and y hat, and the measure of quality depends on your task. For this task, we use classification accuracy. And so the parameters w hat are really the parameters of the weights of the logistic regressor. So these are our weights on features. And what the machine learning algorithm is going to do is take the classification accuracy, try to make it a little better by changing those weights w hat and updating them. We've now seen how deep learning can give you really cool and exciting results for various tasks in computer vision. And we saw those applied both to classification and to retrieving of new images, using raw neural networks as well as deep features. And our notebooks that we explored showed us that it's really easy to build such deep learning models and actually apply to a really cool machine learning task in computer vision, both in classification and image retrieval, which allows me to find exactly the kind of shoes that I'm really excited about. And with this, you'll be able to build a really exciting intelligent application that uses one of the most sought after techniques today in machine learning, deep learning.